Hello folks, winter is so cold. Every year, people in United States or Canada affected by winter rash. Winter rash refers to extremely dry or dehydrated skin in winter. Causes include cold temperature, low humidity levels, and using central heating. Water and natural oils in the skin help it stay moist and enhance its protective abilities. Winter rash occurs when the skin loses too much moisture during cold season. Cold, dry air and heating can suck the water and oils from the skin. Symptoms of winter rash include redness, itchy, rough patches, bumps or blisters, flaking, inflammations, dry nose and lips. So, what do? We need to treat. We need to have a home remedy or other, supplements. I would recommend treatment and home remedy. Moisturize cream, natural oils, avoid harsh soaps, tamp down your heater as much as you can. The last thing I want to tell you about it, use a humidifier. Very important thing. Today, I'm gonna review a humidifier I bought last week, Rosewill Ultrasonic humidifier. I'm gonna unbox them for you guys today. If you wanna treat your dry skin, winter rash, dry nose, dry lips, redness, bump, something like that, you need to have a humidifier in your home. I bought this one on eBay, about $30. You can buy it at Walmart $40 or $45 with tax. Let's try to open this. This is stay on the top of the humidifier. We call it direction of mist nozzle. And then this size carrying handle. This one is a 5-liter water tank. Water tank cap. When you put it down, the water will go in here. Now this is a water tank cap. This is a water sensor. This one is ultrasonic nebulizers. And then this is power indicator. Okay? And then this size refill indicator. This is a mist control knob. The power indicator, refill indicator, mist control knob. Right now I'm gonna fill the water in the 5-liter tank. Open the cap here and fill the water here. So it's full, and then I'm gonna close the cap, okay? I know it's tight and sealed, so we're gonna put in the base. I'm gonna pour the tank. Look at here. This is a slot, so you can put in the bottom here. All right. So you can see the water is filling in. The water is filling in this mist hole here. So it will come up. It's ready to operate this guy. Plug the power cord. I already plugged the power cord. Put the mist, nozzle right here. I'm gonna turn the power. Woo! Look at that. Spray in the mist. Can you see that? You can switch any direction you want. You know, you can switch any direction you want. Oh, it's a really cool mist. This is really cool mist, folks. Can you see the spray mist? I turn on my lighting one, and then so you can clearly see the mist. This is adjustable mist level. If you want medium mist in the middle, you see the mist come out. Medium amount of mist. And when you want less mist, it will come out less, not a lot. Depend on what you want. If you turn all the way up, so the mist level bigger, so it will come out more mist. That is a soft glow LED night light. You can see the mist come out from there. This humidifier will be our family. Welcome, Rosewill Humidifier.